Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can operate location of this Motorola. You need to begin by exiting tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, after that, location of my device is off. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into devices settings and tap on location section over here. Then manage location by clicking on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!